What's up? Got two boxes today of plates and patches, 2011 football, and I'm gonna break box 39 and 75. This one feels a little bit heavier, so we'll do that one second. Here's the first one. Really liked it last year. Liked the encased card on top, but I guess they decided against it this year. Might need this redemption sheet. Probably gonna need this redemption sheet. Alright, this one's thin. There we go. Got a redemption. It's crazy. See Austin, no, Mike Sims Walker. Base. Let's get that turned off. Didn't know it was on the second hit. Juan Jones. Patch auto. One color. Hint of two colors. Number to 499. Okay. Got another one, another auto of Zach Pianoletto or something like that. Alright. Got a Matt Ryan jersey. One color. Number to 99. 31 of 99. Then I got a London Fletcher dual patch. One color.
Now, she gets a special call.
Out of 50.
It's called Sex Panther by Odia.
Then I got a Marcel Darius. One color patch. Out of 50. And a Kendall Hunter Blitz rookie at a 249. See, the redemption is 103 isn't bad. Adrian Claiborne. Yep, Adrian Claiborne. So putting that on. Can't wait to get it. Alright. Second box, the heavy one. It is heavy. Way heavier than the last one. Ooh, some fatties. Fatties back here. Alright, we got Chad Henne. Got a Jamal Charles. Looks like silver. It's out of 100. AP. Got a jersey of him last year. Alright. That's out of 249. Got a Bo Scaife. Sure, it's 499. 50. And then my patch hit is Austin Pettis. One color. Poo-poo. Another redemption. This one's out of 25. It's not bad. Okay, got a redemption, thick redemption. And I got Tyler Sash for the Giants. And a Jason Campbell dual.
Warning! Warning! It's the white
Out of 25.
Warning. Warning. It's the wife.
Delon
It's
Carter.
the wife.
Ooh, nice patch.
Warning. Warning. It's the
One color,
wife.
$2.99. It's pretty sick.
Warning.
Johnny Knox.
Warning.
Nice 3-color
It's the wife.
patch. And a Phillip Rivers. $2.49. Yeah, that's what I expected. Alrighty.